ABC phonics sounds. Come and sing along. A is for ant, A is for ant. B is for bat, B is for bat. C is for cat, C is for cat. D is for dolphin, D is for dolphin. E is for eagle, E is for eagle. F is for frog, F is for frog. G is for gorilla, G is for gorilla. H is for hen, H is for hen. I is for ice cream, I is for ice cream. J is for jug, J is for jug. K is for key, K is for key. L is for leaf, L is for leaf. M is for mango, M is for mango. N is for needle, N is for needle. O is for orange, O is for orange. P is for pig, P is for pig. Q is for quill, Q is for quill. R is for rat, R is for rat. S is for star, S is for star. T is for tree, T is for tree. Who is for unicorn, who is for unicorn. V is for van, V is for van. W is for watch, W is for watch. X is for Xmas tree, X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yarn, Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra, Z is for zebra. Now you know your A to Z. Sing the sound so easily. Letters make words, words make fun.